Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. 5 of Wands, 7 of Cups, 2 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups. Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, maybe for some of you all, you are working really hard, you are competing. This may be regarding your work. You are facing great struggles to search for what you want, to reach your goals. This may be in your work or in your relationship, guys. And you are, maybe for some of you all, you are competing with someone to be with this person you love. There may be someone else in this relationship with this person whom you're interested in, and you may be trying to divert their focus on you, maybe win back this person or win this person. That may be the energy here, if this is regarding your relationship, or if it is regarding work. You are facing severe competition, maybe completion of certain projects or achieving something within the timeline to get your promotion or something of that sort, guys. And today, for many of you all, you will find yourself at a position where things are coming towards you. Maybe whatever you are wishing for is coming towards you, guys. So some kind of favorable movement is there. So for some of you all, you may get friends or family coming to visit you and gift you, and you are really feeling happy because of that. And maybe for some of you all, you may be in this relationship with this person. You would have had that love and understanding before, and you would have felt that affinity, affection and intimacy in this relationship. But now something is troubling you. Some things are not right. Maybe this relationship is not up to expectation. So it is causing some kind of bitterness or frustration. Maybe when you were with this person before, you had a particular image about them, but right now when you see them up close, it is not what you expected. So this may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you, guys. So you feel this is not up to expectation. So maybe you did imagine a few things about them, and right now you are thinking within yourself and reflecting what went wrong and what you want to do with your life, and why things are going in a certain way in this particular situation. But you are with this person, and you have the understanding and love, and you sympathize with them, you have that compassion for them. But something is not right. There is some kind of stress. Maybe you both have some kind of arguments in your relationship, some kind of conflicts are there, and that is worrying you, guys, maybe for some of you all. So you are struggling, you are searching to make things right with this relationship, and make this work. For some of your Libras, this may be a karmic cycle. So this person is destined to be there with you at this time, so they are there. So that may also be the reason for them being there. And Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, Libras. Mountain, snake, maybe you feel what to say, deceived by their looks. Maybe you were very attracted towards this person, the way they are physically, but something you feel is deceiving about them. So whatever the appearances are, it is not true. Maybe they are not so sweet and innocent, just like the way they look. So for some of you all, you feel cheated and deceived, and maybe you feel in this love you were blind. You just went and blindly accepted this person, and you're facing lots of challenges, guys, in this relationship or in your work. You are facing lots of challenges that you need to overcome. So for some of you all, you may feel you have reached a dead end. You don't know what to do now. So when things are going in such a way, when things are going in the way that you don't find any solution for it, you have to, what to say, just step back and start over all over again. So that is the way you have to handle the situation. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel certain kinds of delays or limitations or resistance. This may concern your relationship or work. You may feel your projects are delayed, or some kind of resistance is there in unfolding whatever projects you want to do, or some kind of limitations you are facing. This may also concern your relationship, guys. So you are feeling certain obstacles and challenges in the way you want to go in the path, wherever you want to go and reach the goals. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And this person is not what they seem in the outward sense. So they may be quite a different one underneath. So something you feel is not right with them. They may not be interested in you. Maybe they are just there to make use of your efforts and time, or they are not very serious into this relationship. That may also be the reason for the way they behave or for the way they act, guys. So you are really stressed. Maybe that is the energy here, Libras. So for most of you all, you are feeling deceived, and you're feeling you are having lots of challenges to overcome, and you're thinking within yourself and contemplating what is your plan of action next. So let us see what is your energy towards this relationship, or what is your person's energy towards this relationship. Courage. So it is the time for self-confidence, Libras. So whatever the situation, whatever person whom you have to deal with, you have to deal with conviction and confidence and self-determination. So when you have that, you will know the sense of purpose in your actions, and it will also encourage the people around you to follow your lead, whatever it is. So you should be firmly determined what you need to do. So instead of controlling or ignoring the people who are there in a particular situation. We have to be supportive of them. We have to be compassionate about them. At the same time, we should not give up our beliefs or ideals. So when you do that, when you have that self confidence and self determination in your hearts, you will surely reach the solution. So that is what is the energy you may feel towards this relationship, towards your situation, or what your person feels towards this situation, guys. So that is the reading, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.